My wardrobe is actually under my bed because my room is actually quite small. Show you around. Open this up. This is without. Hey guys, someone's just requested a video idea that I do a wardrobe video, wardrobe tour. That's actually a really good idea. I think midnight today. Today is Wednesday, by the way. It's midnight midnight today. I finished filming a Q&A. That's coming out soon. I'm working on a lot of videos right now, especially right now. Normally you think, oh, you'll probably film a video next week, but I'm actually on holiday next week. I'm not really able to film any videos. So this is just a quick video showing you my wardrobe, because people asking what clothes I wear. People are saying I don't wear decent clothes. I know, I do wear a lot of Maverick merch, a lot of Maverick hoodies. I'm kind of stopping to wear that now, kind of stop wearing that now, because I actually want to like grow up. Well, I know they're really nice clothes and everything, but like, I want to like grow up and just like dress nicely. Like this top here, this top's really nice. It's quite small. Same with these black jeans as well. These are really, really nice. I'm actually going out to Curry's in a bit to actually go and get myself an iPhone cable, because I really need one for holiday to be able to charge my phone. I've got a charging pad on my desk, but that's not really that good for charging my phone, so I need an actual cable to charge my phone. People are saying what I wear is like cringe and quite bad. I need to, I actually need to dress decent, which I don't think I do, but some people think I don't. So okay, I'm gonna show my wardrobe. People said I would actually look quite fit in some nice clothes, which I agree. Like these jeans and these top actually look quite fit. So that's good. I put that message thing on my Snapchat last night, and I'm getting like some messages saying like, you dress cringe, you need to wear some nice clothes, and you would actually look pretty fit if you did. That's quite good. I was like getting feedback on what I wear and stuff, so I know if I'm doing anything wrong. Anyway, I'm rambling on right now. I'm gonna film this wardrobe tour. It's gonna be quite quick. You guys already know about all these hoodies I've got here. I've got like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, I've got like 5 or 6 Maverick hoodies from Logan Paul. That's crazy. I don't really wear any of them anymore. I wore this one yesterday, but apart from that, I've not worn a hoodie for a while, because it is summer, as you guys know. My wardrobe is actually under my bed because my room is actually quite small. Show you around. My room is actually quite small, so I've got my wardrobe under my bed to save space in my room, because I've got a desk there and everything. Yeah, I'm gonna try and put my phone down and show you. Okay guys, I'm gonna try and go handheld for this. Open this up. This is really hard to open because. Okay, so I've got simple things, like socks. I've got, show you, just plain black socks. I've got these pants here. Sure, you don't need to see them. I've got a top here for paint decorating, but I don't do paint decorating anymore, but I've still got that top anyway. It's got a bit of paint on it. Yeah, I've still got that top. It's quite a nice top. I wear that sometimes. Yeah, socks, pants, socks, all that easy stuff. Pajama top, that's like a short sleeve top, really short sleeve top. Pajama bottoms, pretty nice. This top, I don't want to get anything out, I don't want to make a mess. This nice like palm tree white summer shirt. And I've got more pants back there, more black jeans here. I've also got more socks. I've got another top here as well. That's kind of like that shirt, but I prefer this one to that one. It just looks a lot nicer. Some shorts back there, trying to show you. Swimming shorts, another pajama top there. I don't want to show you everything, but you guys get it. Maverick shirts here. You're probably gonna have guessed that. Maverick shirts got 1, 2. Love Gang shirt for Logan Paul. Blue jeans. I like them a lot. More pants. I've got a blue top there. I really need to go shopping and buy some more clothes. Also, Maverick joggers. I've not worn them in a while. I need to wear them, but I'm not gonna wear these to Sheffield College. Definitely not. I'll probably only wear them when I'm going out with my friends or something, but I don't have any friends. But anyway, I'll probably only wear these when I go out, like for dog walk or something, not college, because that's just, I don't know, me wearing them. Yeah, I love wearing them, but I don't think girls will like me to see me wearing these, especially it's got the Maverick logo on and stuff like that. I want to wear nice clothes like black jeans and this top here, what I've got on right now. Yeah, and I've also got this, trying to get this out. Taking this out made a load of dust go everywhere, but I've got this New York City long sleeve top. I think I've only worn this once, which is crazy because I actually really like this, and I don't know why I've not worn it. I don't know how I've worn it only one time. Got nice long sleeves. Let me know if you guys like this or not. I quite like it. Got it from my auntie and for my birthday last year. Yeah, last year. Got a lot of dust on it. Mind that. It's been like in that corner in my drawer for a long time, so mind that. Sorry. Yeah, I really like this long sleeve. I should probably wear it very soon. Probably when I go to college in September. Can't wait to wear this then. Anyway, I'm gonna fold this up, show you the rest of the stuff in here, and I'll carry on with this video. I've got a plain black top there. I actually really like plain black tops. You see it just there. Yeah, I know I do need to dress like nicer, wear like more smart, casual, like nicer fit, clothes that will look really nice on me. Yeah, I think I've already had a few nice clothes, not many. I do need to go shopping when I have the money. I've got money in my bag in there. but I need to save the money for a holiday and I need to buy a cable later. I think there's some pretty nice clothes in here. I'm glad I've shown you my wardrobe. It's a quick wardrobe tour video. Again, I've got socks there. Those are socks. Got those blue like joggers there. I wear them sometimes just like lounge around the house. Also them sometimes as well, lounge around the house in them. But I quite like the clothes I wear. I should probably go shopping very soon, like Meadowall or something. Buy some new clothes. And I do agree, some clothes I do wear and some clothes that I'll probably buy in the future very soon, hopefully. I'll look pretty fit in them, so that's good. I'm glad I've shown you my wardrobe. There's nothing in there, that's just like books and things, stuff that I don't really use anymore. This is the wardrobe, this is the main stuff. This is where everything is really. I don't think I've got anything else to show you guys. Oh yeah, I got more shorts there. I like them shorts and more them ones there. More than those green ones here. But that's it really, guys. Yeah, oh yeah, I've got this prom trousers as well. I've got prom trousers, and I've also got the prom suit in a pile of all of these hoodies that I've got. Some of them are Maverick hoodies. I've got this like blue tie-dye one, which is really nice. And I've also got my Leavers hoodie as well here, which is really nice. And anyway, this is the prom suit here, guys. What I wore for the prom vlog. What I wore for prom last year at school. It's really nice. I still think it fits me. It might be a little bit small for me, but if there's an event or anything I need to wear posh clothes, like a posh suit, then I'll just wear this suit. I love this suit. It's so good. It looks so good in me as well. To be honest, I look pretty fit in that suit. And I had like black shoes as well. They're like really posh outfit. It was amazing. Also, these new shoes as well. Got a few days ago. Really nice. Came in this bag box. That's my wardrobe. Hope you guys like that video. Leave a like and subscribe. And I'll see you all in next video. Maybe the Q&A, or maybe have the Q&A up before this video. Or maybe I'll schedule this video for whilst I'm on holiday. I'll go on holiday on the 17th till the 29th. So I'll probably have the Q&A video up first and then this video. Or maybe this video and then the Q&A. I don't know. You guys will know when this video's up. You guys will know which video's first. Anyway, I'll see you all in the next video. Peace.